What is the range of reagent temperatures used for chemical dissolution in CHM? A. 12C to 35C. B. 37C to 85C. C. 90C to 101C. D. 121C to 142C. The correct answer is 37C to 85C. By using chemical machining, which of the following can be produced? A. Pockets. B. Contours. C. Slots. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. CHM cannot eliminate which of the following defects? A. Irregularities and dents. B. Surface scratches. C. Waviness. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. In chemical milling, excessive flow of chemical reagent results in which of the following defects? A. Channelings. B. Grooves. C. Ridges. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Pre-cleaning is done on the workpiece surface in order to achieve which of the following factors? A. To provide good adhesion. B. To provide clean surface. C. To assure the absence of contaminants. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Type of mask depends on which of the factor S given below? A. Size of workpiece. B. Number of parts. C. Desired resolution. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following are the factors on which surface finish depends? A. Grain size. B. Heat treatment. C. Induced stresses. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following are necessary for best surface quality in chemical milling? A. Fine grain size and homogeneous metallurgy. B. Coarse grain size and heterogeneous metallurgy. C. Fine grain size and heterogeneous metallurgy. D. Coarse grain size and homogeneous metallurgy. The correct answer is fine grain size and homogeneous metallurgy. Special coatings applied on workpiece materials in order to protect them from chemical reaction are known as A. Maskins. B. Protective coverings. C. Protective varnishing. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is maskins. Which of the following solutions cannot be used as chemical reactive solution in CHM? A. Acidic solution. B. Alkaline solution. C. Neutral solution. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is neutral solution. During chemical milling, depth of etch is controlled by which factor of immersion? A. Time. B. Mask method. C. Mask area. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is time. Of the following, which ratio defines the etch factor? A. Etching depth to undercut. B. Undercut to etching depth. C. Undercut to mask area. D. Mask area to undercut. The correct answer is undercut to etching depth. State whether the following statement about chemical milling is true or false. At higher temperatures, faster etching rates occur in chemical milling. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.